What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create dashboards in Jira. So Jira is a project management platform that you can use to manage your products for your business or your personal life. And once you go to jira.com or search on Google for Jira, it's part of the Atlassian group. And once you create an account here, I created an account right here as you can see, and I'm on my home page. And now I need to go to Jira. Here, click on Jira, and let's get Jira for free right now. And then I'll need to sign up. Here, enter the name of my site. So it's generated for me based on the email that I entered. Okay, let's continue with this for now. Just a random name for this video. Now, what kind of work do I do? Let's say anything. Let's say finance. Okay, start now. And now they are preparing my Jira workspace for me. And now I need to create my first project. Let's say here test project. Okay, let's create it. And here are the tasks, test 1, test 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then they are generated based on the name that I enter. And now here I'm on my main Jira board view. Here it's in the board, my project is in the board view. I can view a list view, a calendar view, timeline view, and many other types of views. Now here, to create a dashboard, I need to go to the dashboard drop-down menu right here. And here, from within here, I need to create my first dashboard or to view all dashboard. To create a new dashboard, just simply click on create dashboard. And now I can name my dashboard, let's say test dashboard. Description, this is a dashboard, just any random info. Viewers, I can set it to private or group, my organization, user, or private as is. I can set editors like group here. I can select group that will be able to edit my dashboard. And if I save now, and then here my test dashboard was created successfully, and here I have it, and I can add here new gadgets to each column that now that my dashboard is created. And in the dashboard view here, I can change layout from here. I can add a gadget or click here to add a gadget, and here I have the popular gadget, so like activity stream assigned to me, average age chart, average number of times status, average time status, bubble chart. So let's add a bubble chart just to experiment right here, show you. And here I've added a bubble chart, and let's add a days remaining in sprint gadget. Okay, now I can add it right here. It's now adding, and in the bubble chart here I can move this gadget to this side right here. In the bubble chart I can set a filter. I can add the bubble size as votes here. Interval I can set it to like 2 weeks, and here in the days remaining I can choose a board since I haven't created a board yet. Sprint, I can choose it. I can auto update every 15 minutes. And now this is exactly how I expect my dashboard to work in Jira.